As we are working with home equipments, please take extra care of your safety. Please make sure that all equipments are safe to use before using it. To avoid wrist pain, try to keep your wrist in neutral position during any of the exercises. You can refer to the demonstration in the coming videos. You might be having pair of dumbbells available with you at your home. You can use those with the same workout plan. Instead of water bottles, you will be using pair of dumbbells. In exercise plan, you will find that for few of the exercises, multiple options are given. You have to do any one of them. Exercises are sequenced in increasing order of difficulty. When multiple options are given, choose exercise as per your strength levels. Let's assume in previous example you have decided to do a regular push-up. If you can do more than 30 reps of it, it means that that exercise is easy for you. In that case, do a harder version of it, which is decline push-up. In another scenario, if that exercise is too tough for you and you are able to do less than 5 reps, do a easier version of it, which is a knee push-up. Beginners will do 3 sets of each exercise and intermediates and above will do 4 sets of each exercise. If total reps are mentioned for any of the exercise, you are supposed to complete those total number of repetitions in sets between 3 to 5. From research we know that muscle hypertrophy can happen anywhere between 5 to 30 repetition range. With gym workout we have scope of increasing load as we become stronger. With home workout we have very limited scope of increasing the load, that's why we should utilize the higher repetition range of 5 to 30. Another important contributing factor to muscle hypertrophy is training near to failure. To make sure that we are training near to failure with gym or home workout, keep your repetition in reverse from 1 to 2. To conclude, especially with home workouts, instead of targeting any repetition range, we have to train at our maximum repetition or maybe 1 or 2 repetition less than that. If you can do more than 30 repetition for any of the exercise, then it is time to replace that exercise with harder version of it.